Say hello to Collegiate Suites of Blacksburg, your gateway to max comfort and convenience in Blacksburg. This property boasts a range of spacious 1, 2, and 4-bedroom apartments. Curl up in your cozy bed in the comfort of all-electric heating and cooling. Breeze through laundry with a full-size washer and dryer, and cook with flair on the granite countertops in the kitchen. Unleash your competitive side at the game area with a pool table, or challenge your friends on the basketball court. Enter beast mode at the fitness center, or head to the picnic areas and chill with friends. With on-site management, individually keyed bedrooms, and smart locks, your security is ensured. You'll forget all about bills since utilities are already included in the rent. The Virginia Polytechnic Institute and State University is just minutes away. Also, the Squires Student Center bus stop and BT Blacksburg Transit are located nearby for endless city explorations. So, get ready for the student life of your dreams. Book your room at Collegiate Suites of Blacksburg today through amberstudent.com.